Tiranish Dibaba of Ethiopia wins 10,000 meters gold, 30:20.76.
Ya urjiko magale turiyeko kiteko ya urjiko magale ifamto nakakorsa darbatamto nakarasasa benetun akka keransa mehta kansi farsa ogeyo dorositoda yasanyi dararto omni ke bakakada omto sinktato asta orommat allato enyuma kana ka kenjerto yo mama chocolate shining star, hero of the peaceful one. Is the lady of the planet, plastic one like a bull. The brave just like a tiger, powerful just like a thunder. Wakayo. Nisi ume si ilale gamade dinkame sabnike makansa wamame adunya irati gotumam bekame kan irbraite the champion keti sinka bajarkate wodo si 50 dalon nisi boda Fahana ke hordofu Boru sitti fufu Gotu manke nafu Role model of next generation Smart leader of our nation An African pride victory An woman of the world story Being blessed by our God Being called by our land Namaho tokoyon dibde toriyen worki chimde fide Beijing gitti raji hojjete Moskotes uno dabalte dubarton addunyaa maqaaken boonani gaa'umsa Afrikaa sirraati baarani Ormitonni kanke safi ala Anitin dirkame kuno la falala Confirmed as an invincible winner of double golden Beijing miracle Repeated in Moscow racing battle New record is done, you're out in the goal The golden lady guaranteeing adequate Ashamed of opponents in and out